Have you ever thought about your career aspirations? What if starting a small business could be the key to fulfilling them? In the grand scheme of things, small businesses might seem like a tiny cog in a massive machine, but let's not be fooled by their size. Small businesses are the heartbeat of our economy, the lifeblood of innovation, and the backbone of communities. They are the unsung heroes that quietly fuel our world. The power of small businesses lies not just in their economic contributions, but also in the opportunities they offer. For many, they are the gateway to flexibility and independence. They allow you to break away from the 9-to-5 grind, from the monotony of working for someone else's dream. Instead, you can carve out your own path, follow your own rhythm, and shape your own destiny. As a small business owner, you're not just a cog in the machine, you're the architect of your own machine. You can turn your passions into profit, your interests into income. Whether you're a tech enthusiast with a knack for coding, a foodie with a love for cooking, or an artist with a flair for design, there's a small business waiting to be born from your talents. And it doesn't stop there. Small businesses have a ripple effect. They create jobs, support local economies, and foster a sense of community. They bring people together, offering a personal touch that big corporations often lack. They're a testament to the power of human ingenuity, to our ability to create something meaningful out of nothing. So, what if you could be a part of this? What if you could take your ideas and turn them into something tangible? Something that could change your life and the lives of others? What if you could be at the helm of your own small business, navigating the exciting world of entrepreneurship? Imagine being your own boss, with the freedom to make your own decisions and set your own schedule. The power of small businesses is waiting for you. All you need to do is reach out and grab it. Now think about this. What if you, as a student, could start your own successful business? It's not a far-fetched idea. Let's delve into some riveting tales of student success that will surely inspire you. Our first story is of a sophomore, Beth, who had a knack for baking. She started creating delicious vegan treats in her dorm room. At first, it was just for fun, but soon her dorm mates couldn't get enough of her culinary creations. The demand grew, and with it, so did the challenges. Time management was a key issue she faced, juggling her studies and her budding business. However, with a bit of planning and a lot of determination, she was able to overcome this hurdle. Today, she runs a successful online bakery that caters to a growing niche of vegan dessert lovers. Next, let's talk about Sam, a computer science major with a passion for coding. He noticed many of his fellow students struggling with coding assignments. Spotting an opportunity, he started offering coding tutorials on the side. The challenges? Building credibility and finding clients. But Sam didn't let that stop him. He started by offering free sessions to build a reputation. Word of mouth did the rest. Today, he runs a profitable online tutoring service helping students worldwide. Then there's Maria. She was an art major who loved making unique handmade jewelry. She started selling her creations at local craft fairs, and soon, her pieces were in high demand. The challenge? Scaling her business without compromising on the uniqueness of her products. Maria tackled this by roping in fellow art students, turning her venture into a co-op. Today, her brand is known for its one-of-a-kind pieces, and she has successfully turned her passion into a profitable business. And lastly, we have Mike, a business major who saw a gap in the market for affordable secondhand textbooks. He faced the challenge of building a reliable network of book suppliers and ensuring quality control. Undeterred, he used social media to connect with students looking to sell their old textbooks and implemented a strict quality check process. Today, he runs a flourishing online platform that provides affordable textbooks to students across the country. These students took the leap, faced the challenges, and reaped the rewards. Their stories prove that age is not a barrier to entrepreneurship. So if you have a passion or a business idea that keeps you awake at night, remember these stories. They were just students like you who dared to dream and had the courage to act on those dreams. And look where they are now. So what's stopping you? As we move on to the next segment, think about this. What if you could be the next success story we share? So what kind of business could you start as a student in 2024? That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? Well, let's dive right into it. First off, let's consider the realm of online tutoring. As we move further into the digital age, the demand for online education is skyrocketing. With the right skills and knowledge, any student could potentially start an online tutoring business. Whether it's math, science, coding, or even a foreign language, there's likely someone out there eager to learn what you know. The best part? You can do it from the comfort of your own home, or even a dorm room, and set your own hours. But perhaps teaching isn't quite your thing. No worries, there are plenty of other avenues to consider. For those with a creative streak, selling handmade products could be a viable option. With platforms like Etsy and Shopify, it's easier than ever to create and sell your own unique items. Whether it's jewelry, art, clothing, or home decor, there's a world of possibilities at your fingertips. Plus, it provides an excellent opportunity to showcase your creativity and make a profit from it. Now, let's shift gears a bit and think about digital marketing services. In today's world, every business needs an online presence, and that's where digital marketing comes into play. As a student, you're likely already well-versed in social media and other digital platforms. Why not use that knowledge to help businesses improve their online visibility? Offering services such as social media management, content creation, or SEO optimization could be a great way to capitalize on your digital savvy. Or perhaps you're more into tech. In that case, app development could be the way to go. With the right skills and a solid idea, you could create an app that solves a problem, entertains, or makes people's lives easier in some way. And the beauty of app development is that once your app is created and launched, it can generate passive income for you while you focus on your studies. Each of these business ideas has its own unique advantages. Online tutoring offers flexibility and the opportunity to share your knowledge. Selling handmade products allows you to monetize your creativity. Digital marketing services can capitalize on your digital skills, and app development can generate passive income. But remember, the success of any business comes down to your passion, dedication, and effort. It's about finding something that you love to do, and then finding a way to make it profitable. So, take some time to think about what skills and interests you have, and how they could potentially translate into a small business. The possibilities are limitless. It all depends on your interests, skills, and the effort you are willing to put in. So, what have we learned today about small businesses and their potential? We've unearthed a trove of insights on the enormous potential that small businesses hold, especially for students. The beauty of small businesses lies in their flexibility and scalability. They allow us to start small, learn, iterate, and grow. They are a practical platform for putting theories learned in classrooms into real-world applications. Let's recall the inspiring stories of student entrepreneurs we've discussed. They started right where you are with an idea and a dream. They faced challenges head-on, learned from their mistakes, and turned their small businesses into success stories. Their journey demonstrates that age is just a number when it comes to entrepreneurship. We also dived into a myriad of business ideas ripe for exploration, from sustainable fashion to tech innovations, from local artisanal crafts to health and wellness solutions. These ideas all have one thing in common. They were born out of passion and a desire to make a difference. Remember, every great enterprise starts with a first step. The initial process may be daunting, but the rewards are immense. Not just in terms of financial gains, but also in the valuable skills and experiences you garner along the way. Starting a small business also allows you to create jobs and contribute to your community, creating a positive ripple effect that goes beyond yourself. It's about creating value, solving problems, and making a difference. The potential of small businesses is vast and untapped. They are the backbone of our economy, driving innovation and creating job opportunities. And for students, they are a unique opportunity to kickstart their career path, gain real-world experience, and even make their mark on the world. So as we wrap up, let's not forget the key takeaways from our exploration of small businesses. They are flexible, scalable, and full of potential for students ready to take the leap into entrepreneurship. Starting a small business could be your gateway to fulfilling your career aspirations. Take the leap, embrace the challenges, check out the links below for more helpful tools, and start your journey towards entrepreneurship today.